Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr. Today I'm going to be taking you through this new listing. This is a 2006 Sea Ray 40 Sundancer, one of the most popular models that Sea Ray made, very sought after. This one's in great condition, has low hours. You can see back here in the cockpit, nice wraparound seating area, great for entertaining guests, whether you're just enjoying a day out on the water, you're going for a sunset cruise or some cocktails. Over to the port side, freshwater sink, storage underneath, as well as a refrigerator. Moving up to the helm area, very well appointed helm, great visibility all around. Do have that isinglass that's up there in case you get run into any weather, or you want to use that salon air conditioning, which is on right now. Feels great in here. This boat is equipped with twin diesels, has about 260 hours on the motors, very well maintained, serviced by MarineMax here in Somers Point. Nice seating area again. Sea Ray's all about entertaining and having and enjoying guests out on the water. We're going to head down next, down 4 steps into the salon area. Great big table, again, all about entertainment, enjoying family and friends. Seating area. This boat's in spectacular condition. You can see all the woodwork is in very good shape. Back to the aft sitting / sleeping area. You can fill that area in and entertain some more guests overnight if you would like, and it does have a curtain that pulls out on the starboard side so you can get some privacy back there. So continue to pan around, you'll see the galley setup. Again, all about entertainment, so you have tons of counter space. You can cover off the sink when you don't need it. Has some more area for serving, and then you have a television that comes down out of the ceiling there. 2-burner cooktop, microwave and freezer, and then some more storage. Over on the port side, you have your head, and then separated from that, so we go over to the starboard side. Behind that door there is your shower, which I'll show you in a minute. Moving into your forward master, you do have a door that you can close off, again nice and private, so if you're traveling with kids, you can close that off and get some privacy up there, or you can, if you're with some other guests and you want to have some area to yourself, you can do that. So we move into the forward here. We do have a shower area on the starboard side, again separate from the head, which is nice, great use of space. Sit down, stand up, easy to get in and out of. I'm 6'2", I can stand in there with no problems. And then your forward master. Nice steps up to the side, so you don't have to crawl through the front of the bed. Nice large bed area. You got storage off to the sides, you got some reading lights, mirror and closet space, and again there's those steps right there that are going up to the port side. And then pan around, you got your television, you got a skylight up top there, some more storage. Again, very laid out boat, well maintained, great condition. Just pan back through here again for you. I'd like to thank you for taking this walkthrough with me of this 2006 Sea Ray 40 Sundancer. Again, my name is Bill Herr out of MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. If you have any questions or you would like a private showing of this boat, please contact me at 484-680-4392. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.